This feels so wrong. Sorry, battery. Oh no, my battery's flat. What's up guys? We've all experienced a flat battery like this at one point in time. Whether you've left your headlights on overnight, or maybe you've just been sitting in the car listening to music for a little bit too long before you try to start the engine. If you've got a dual battery system, this isn't a big problem really, because you can generally just override the isolator and start off your second battery. But if you haven't got a second battery, you can pick up one of these portable jump start packs for much less than the cost of a dual battery system. How these basically work is you connect these two alligator clips to your battery, turn the unit on, and it gives your battery the boost it needs to hopefully start your engine. To be honest, I've always been pretty skeptical of these, especially when it comes to jump starting a diesel four-wheel drive engine, but I've been able to borrow this unit today to hopefully find out if they're any good or not. So this is only a little 15,000 milliamp version, which I had a quick look online and this seems to be on the lower side of things, so it should make for a pretty good test. Alrighty, so the device is fully charged. So now I'm just going to clip it onto the battery, turn it on, and we'll see if we can start the engine. Oh, so it looks like it turns itself on, so one less step. So now I guess we'll go and see if we can start the engine. No way. How about that? Well, there you go guys. It works, and it works pretty well. I was pretty surprised with how easily that was able to start the car. Obviously it's going to vary depending on how flat your battery actually is. So mine was flat enough to not be able to start the car, but I wouldn't say it was completely flat. So just keep that in mind. So for situations, you know, similar to this where maybe you've left your headlights on or you've been listening to the stereo a little bit too much and the car's got a bit of charge but just not enough to turn the engine over, that's when these come in really handy and just give that battery a bit of an extra kick, the extra kick it needs to actually start the car. So yeah, really good thing to have if you haven't got dual batteries but you want something to kind of keep you out of trouble. Would definitely recommend that. As I said, that one's 15,000 milliamps. This is a 3-litre turbo diesel engine, and honestly that started the car really easily, and before it was barely turning over at all off its own battery. Anyway, that's all for this video guys. Just a quick tip. As I said, I had this one borrowed, so I thought I'd make a video to test it out and share my experiences with you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Guess I better go for a drive to charge up my poor battery now too.